Yo, 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 what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L.O. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. But if you're new here, do me a favor and like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. That'll let you know when I drop another video. Today we will actually be going over another freeware cookup. I got some nice things in store for you guys for free, once again. All right, but first, word from my sponsor. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. And DistroKid is basically the easiest way for you to get your music uploaded onto different platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Amazon Music, even like YouTube Music. All those places will upload your stuff from DistroKid. One of the features I really like about DistroKid is the splits. So let's say you actually did a collaboration and everybody in the room needs to get a split of this song that you guys created, this masterpiece. So if they all have DistroKid, if all you guys have DistroKid, which you should get, and you should also get my 7% discount. All right, so here I am in my DistroKid and I hit on splits. So you can split the payments amongst all the people that are actually involved inside the track. All right, and in order to do this, it's very easy. Basically, you're just gonna pick a song, hit next, and then basically you're gonna choose if you want to add another person, add collaborator, add recoupment. So basically, if you're like a manager and you're recouping money for setting up the project, that's what you would do here. But yeah, so it's just that simple. Once you hit that, then you just add in your code and do it again. So what the person will receive is a code. And when you get your code and you're already with DistroKid, you hit on splits and you go to got an invite code, right? And then you put in your invite code and join the splits. I mean, and it's just that simple. Everybody gets paid. That's what we all want to do. This is why I stick with DistroKid. All right, so today I'm actually going to be going over some Kontact instrument. It's really dope. Let's get right into it. All right, and this is Cakewalk, and this is my light theme. If you're interested in this theme or my dark theme, I have a link below in the description that you could download for free. And this is our freeware template that I'm using. So if you haven't watched the first video, how to make the freeware template, go watch that one. All right, so let's start. All right, so this is the plugin Drop Designer that I was talking about. It's a really cool way to actually manipulate samples. So if you have like one shots and things like that, this is a really good way to use it and exploit them and do different things with it. All right, you have an option to do a reset of the whole thing here. It has an auto detect, so it's telling me that the root is C, and it gives you an option to keep the length of the sample, or you can actually shrink it. You can go up here and do, ending and start. You can change the ending and start of the actual samples itself. This swirl gives it some kind of effect. You have a reverse. You have it set as one shot as well. You have your ADSR section over here. You can give it some color. You can do a whiting and a sub. And the mutate here will give you an option to mutate the sound. So really cool plugin that they actually created here. So let's see if we can find some samples. So I'm just going to drag this one I have from Ghost Hack. It's a free guitar and piano sample. So that's the original note. You can even reverse it. So let's move the end up so that it kind of starts faster. All right. let's see if we can do tap tempo to that. All right, let's say 93. So, all right, let's see if we can record that. All right. All right, I'm just gonna set a loop here as well. So a nice little 4-bar loop. I think this is a really cool tool. Let's actually duplicate it. I don't want the events. All right. Now let's see if we can find another sound. Let's throw that one in there. All right, so I threw in this vocal. Let's see if we can record something to that. All right, something real simple. Let's see how that turned out. I think I kind of like that. So we can kind of use this for like a lo-fi kind of thing. I'm just going to use Sitala to do some drums. Let's get it crack-a-lacking. I'm actually going to go into the step sequencer. And I'm going to actually use one of my patterns. Load a pattern. Let's go hip-hop. Let's do this one. All right, so I'm just going to use regular SI bass, and let's see if we can get that going. All right, just bounce that the clip. So now we have a nice little lo-fi kind of beat. We can kind of change things up in here with effects. And pretty much, that's pretty much the end of the beat. All right, so I appreciate you guys for stopping by for this freeware cookup. Once again, it's your boy, X.E.L. Till next time, people. Peace.